Welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how you can download WhatsApp Business in your mobile phone. So let's get started. The first step is to open Google Play Store and tap on the search bar. In the search bar, type WhatsApp Business. Tap on WhatsApp Business and click Install. After you have downloaded the app, it's time to open it. After opening the business app, tap on Agree and Continue, and the next step is to set up your WhatsApp Business account. We will do this process in the next video where we will show you how you can set up your WhatsApp Business account with the right details. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe.